Hello everyone, welcome back for the computer session once again. Dear students, today we are going to learn lesson number 6 and lesson number 6 is all about interactive web page with the JavaScript. So we are going to script a language which is a Java, and with this scripting we are going to create a web page. And the points what we are going to cover through these lessons are, let's see what points we will cover. We are going to cover 3 points. First, introduction to JavaScript. What is a JavaScript? Then we will learn variable and simple arithmetic in JavaScript. And finally, we're going to be cover again one more point, that is simple function and events handling in JavaScript. So today we are going to begin a JavaScript programming. In that we will learn introduction, how to set variable, and simple arithmetic, how to perform, and simple function and events. These are the introduction of the lesson. These are the 3 points which we are going to cover through this lesson. So let's begin with the introduction. When you see a website or when you visit a website, you must have noticed that the web page respond to our actions. For example, like YouTube, you are visiting, when you are clicking on a particular thumbnail of video, the video gets played. So it's called an interactive web page, which is responding to our action, okay, or which is work according to our action, right? You can see a number of thumbnails on the YouTube, but whichever you click, that video gets played. Okay, so that is called interactive web page. Or if you are visiting Google site and when you are typing any content and you are clicking on search button, then the content will be displayed according to your wish. So it's an example of interactive web page. JavaScript is a programming language to write script that runs on a web page. JavaScript helps you to make this such type of interactive web pages. A web browser that supports JavaScript can execute script written in JavaScript. Okay, all the web browser which supports JavaScript, there we can open and we can run the JavaScript program. Right, dear friends? So let's learn more practical. Let's learn the first program, how we can make and how we can display a word hello on the screen. So that we will learn theoretically more. Let's begin that things practical session. Right, friends?
My first JavaScript program. Let us try a simple program that displays a greeting when the user visits the web page. The code is given below. HTML, head, title, interactive web, /title/head, body. Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, alert, hello in double quotes, /script/body/HTML. Did you notice something familiar? Yes, the HTML and body tags. What is new here is the script tag. Within script tags is written alert hello in double quotes. This is JavaScript statement. It is using a JavaScript function alert parenthesis to display message hello. When this web page loads in the browser, script tags are read by the browser. Notice language attribute of script tag. It tells the browser which language is used in writing the script. Then alert function is executed. That is, alert parenthesis function is used to display text strings on the screen. Here the text string is hello enclosed in double quotes. How to save and run a JavaScript program? There are several advanced software applications that are used to design web pages with JavaScript. But here we shall use Notepad to create our interactive web pages. Open Notepad and type the above code. Click on File menu, go to Save option. In the Save As dialog box, open the Save As Type drop-down and select all files. Type the file name as first.html. Note that it is not a .txt file. Double-click on this file to view in browser. Variables, the value holders. Variables are storehouses for values. Variables store one value at a time. If a new value is stored in a variable, the earlier value stored in it is lost forever. Variable of a particular type can store a particular type of value. In JavaScript, there are basically three fundamental types of variables. Variables to store numbers, strings, and Boolean values. Every variable has a unique name and it is declared using the keyword var. For example, var m is equal to 1, var city is equal to Mumbai in double quotes, var age is equal to 10. JavaScript needs the strings to be mentioned within double quotes. To store a value in a variable, mention the keyword var, then the name of the variable followed by equal to sign, and then mention the value. Taking input. There are many ways to take inputs from the user in JavaScript. One of them is to use prompt parentheses. It is a built-in function of JavaScript library. Let us see how to use prompt parentheses. HTML, head, title, interactive web /title /head, body. Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where age is equal to prompt. Enter your age, colon in double quotes, followed by parentheses, alert age, followed by brackets or parentheses, /script/body/HTML. Prompt displays a message to the users to tell them what input is required from the user. Here the message is enter your age. Since it is a string, it is in double quotes. When user enters the value, prompt returns that value to be stored in a variable. Notice that variable age is storing the value returned by prompt. In the next statement, alert is displaying that value back to the user. How? To alert, the same variable age is passed. Run the program and check for yourself. Comments. Comments are a great way to document the programs or to mark desired part of a program as non-executable. Any part of the program that is commented is ignored by the computer and not considered for execution. The double forward slash is used to comment a single line, and a pair of slash asterisks and asterisk slash is used to mark multiple lines as comment. Let us use comments to document our previous example in detail. Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, slash asterisk. This is my first JavaScript program. It accepts your age and displays it back. Asterisk slash, where age double forward slash variable age is declared. Age is equal to prompt, enter your age, colon double quotes, followed by parentheses, double forward slash, age accepted as input from the user. Alert age, double forward slash, value of variable age is displayed. Double forward slash, end of program, slash script.
So dear students, just now with this demonstration, we have learned how to create a basic HTML program which will display the hello message. Then how to set the variable. We have set three variable, m, city, and age. How to set this variable with the help of var command, right? var. Then how we can prompt anything if you want to show on the screen, display on the screen, and then how to set the comment. Now we are going to create a function, how we can set arithmetic with the help of operators. How we can do arithmetic operation in JavaScript or on the web page with the help of simple arithmetic, right? So here we are going to begin a demonstration once again. Please watch it very carefully.
Arithmetic. JavaScript allows arithmetic operations with the help of following symbols. These symbols are called arithmetic operators. Operator, operation, example. Plus addition. 15 plus 20, A is equal to 5 plus 7. Minus subtraction. 20 minus 6, A is equal to 6 minus 5. Slash division. 20 divided by 5, A is equal to 12 by 3. Asterisk multiplication. 20 asterisk 5 or 20 multiplied by 5, A is equal to 12 multiplied by 3. Percentage modulus. A is equal to 13% 3. Here value of A will be 1, the remainder of the division. Plus plus. Unary increment operator. A is equal to 5, A plus plus. Here value of A becomes 6. Minus minus. Unary decrement operator. A is equal to 5, A minus minus. Here value of A becomes 4. Let us accept a number from the user and display its square. HTML, body, script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where n, a, n is equal to prompt, enter a number, colon, double quotes, in brackets, A is equal to n multiplied by n, alert A in brackets, slash script slash body slash HTML. In the first statement of the script, two variables n and a are declared. Notice that multiple variables can be declared as comma-separated list. Prompt asks the user to enter a number. The number entered by the user is stored in variable n. Let us assume that user enters 3. So, value 3 is stored in variable n. Third statement is showing the use of multiplication operator. Value in variable n is multiplied by itself, that is, n multiplied by n. Then the result of multiplication is stored in variable a. So a stores 9. Finally, alert displays the value of variable a, that is the square of 3. Run this program and enter 5. Check if you get the result as 25. Can you figure out the output of the following program? Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where A, B, R, A is equal to prompt, enter a number, colon, double quotes, in brackets. B is equal to prompt, enter another number, colon, double quotes, in brackets. R is equal to A plus B, alert R in brackets, slash script. Converting strings to integers. Prompt always returns the values as strings. Numbers entered through prompt are treated as strings, but if we apply arithmetic operators such as multiplication, division, and subtraction and percentage to them, they are auto-converted to number types. But in case of plus operator, the handling of values returned by prompt is different. Since plus functions as addition as well as concatenation operator, when prompt returns any numbers entered by the user, the numbers are concatenated instead of getting added. In such case, numbers need to be explicitly converted into their numeric equivalents. This is done by a JavaScript function parseInt. See the modified version of above program to add two numbers returned by prompt. Script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where A, B, R, A is equal to prompt, enter a number, colon, double quotes, brackets, B is equal to prompt, enter another number, colon, double quotes, brackets. A is equal to parseInt A in brackets. B is equal to parseInt B in brackets. R is equal to A plus B, alert R, slash script. ParseInt takes the value to be converted into integer as parameter and returns its numeric equivalent. Numbers returned by prompt as strings are converted into integers by parseInt function. Now instead of concatenation, adding operation will occur and numbers will be added. Converting integers to strings. Numbers can be converted into their string equivalent by using toString. For example, where A is equal to 100, semicolon, where B is equal to A dot toString, bracket, semicolon. Here variable B is string type since value 100 is converted into string type 100. Concatenation in JavaScript. We have seen that plus operator is used for addition. Plus operator can also be used with strings to concatenate them. This helps in designing user output. For example, HTML body script language is equal to JavaScript in double quotes, where A, B, R. A is equal to prompt enter a number, colon, double quotes in brackets. B is equal to prompt enter another number, colon, double quotes in brackets. A is equal to parseInt A. B is equal to parseInt B in brackets. R is equal to A plus B. R is equal to R dot toString brackets. Alert, the answer is in double quotes plus R /script/body/html.